What's the difference between I did it and I've done it? Hello friends! Welcome back to my English Planets. Today we're going to talk about the differences between these two sentences in only 2 minutes. I did it, which is a simple past, and I've done it, which is a present perfect. Well, this video is going to be a big challenge for me because there are lots of things related to this topic and I'm going to say them all and I'm not sure. So let's do it together. Let's go. I did it. When you say I did it, you are talking about an action that started and finished in the past at a specific time. It is done and finished and it has nothing to do with now. Like last week, I visited my friend and I went to the office. So the time is clear and it is finished. But when you say I've done it, you're talking about a past action which is still connected to the present. So it can be a finished action or an unfinished action. Like what? I have worked here for 3 years. I have worked here. Why? Because, yes, it started in the past, but is it finished? No. I am still working here. Okay? So it is an unfinished action. Or imagine the situation that your friend comes to you and says, okay, let's go out and have something together for dinner. But you say, no, sorry, I'm not really hungry because I've eaten a pizza in the evening. So I've eaten a pizza in the evening. Isn't this action finished just like the simple past? Yes, it is finished, but it is connected to the present. It is changing the present. You have had a pizza and because of that now you're not hungry. So it has an impact on the present. For the finished actions that are still connected to the present and are changing the present, you should use present perfect. You also use present perfect to talk about your life experiences because your life is not finished yet. So you should use present perfect. Like, I've tried sushi once. Is it important when I tried sushi? No. The action is important here, not time. Or he has visited China twice. Well, I have to explain a bit more. So for life experiences, you use present perfect, like he has visited China twice, or I have never been to Australia, because as I said, your life is not finished yet, and here the time is not really important. The action is the important part. Okay, so I could tell you everything about the differences between present perfect and simple past tense in only 2 minutes. Can you believe it? Just 2 minutes. And I hope you find this video useful and interesting. And I hope after watching this video, you can recognize the differences between these two different tenses and try to write as many examples as you can in the comments section. I'm going to check them all. And here I write some questions for you. Try to answer them. They can be questions or sentences. You have to fill in the blanks with simple past or present perfect tense. So here are the sentences. Please pause the video and try to answer them. So here I put the link of the playlist What's the Difference in 2 minutes. In each video I've tried to talk about the differences between different things in only 2 minutes. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and please give me a thumbs up. I love you all and I will see you in the next video.